Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smells Tasty. Today's recipe is simple restaurant style chili chicken. If you like the whole video, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And for more recipes, please subscribe and share my channel. To make this recipe, firstly we need 250 gram of boneless chicken. If you don't get boneless chicken, you may use the normal bone chicken. Now, add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, mix them properly. After you mix them properly, rest it for minimum 1 hour. It's been 1 hour now. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you may use corn flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add 1 egg. Now mix them properly. After done, keep aside. Now take a fresh pan, pour oil as per deep fry. After the oil gets heated, add the marinated chicken. Cover it and fry them for a minute in medium flame. After few minutes, open up the cover and flip over the chickens. Cover it and fry the other side. After a while, open up the cover and check whether the chickens are fried or not. Cover it and fry the other side. It's been a minute. Open up the cover and your chicken is perfectly fried. Now carefully take out the chickens and keep aside. Similarly, do the rest. Once done, keep aside. The chickens are perfectly fried. Now on the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute them a bit. Now add 1 large size chopped capsicum. Mix them a bit. Now add 2 large size chopped onions. Saute them. After it gets lightly fried, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them and fry. Now add 1 medium size of chopped tomatoes. Mix a bit and cover it up. Fry them. After a minute, open up the cover and saute them a bit. Now add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. If you don't have red chili sauce, you may use only tomato sauce. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix them pretty well. Now take a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add little bit of water and mix a bit. Now add them in the pan. Mix them well and fry them for a minute. After a few minutes, add the fried chickens. Mix them well so that the gravy gets into the chicken very well. Your chili chicken is perfectly cooked. Now switch off the gas. Serve it hot and enjoy your delicious dish. Thank you for watching my recipe.